Welcome back. Continuing the news. Reactions this evening from one civic group to yesterday's crime summit. The National Integrity Action said the meeting answered several worrying questions about the will of politicians to unite in the fight against crime. We have more in this report.
Political leaders, including Prime Minister Andrew Holness, met with business leaders and other stakeholders in Kingston Thursday for an anti-crime summit. The purpose? To work out possible solutions to a problem that has so far claimed more than 1,000 lives in 2019. For Executive Director of the National Integrity Action, Professor Trevor Monroe, the meeting was overdue. He said it answered many questions people had been asking, including whether the politicians were willing to unite and share solutions with each other.
Because many of us were losing hope that, look, the two leaders, for whatever combination of reasons, find it difficult, if not impossible, to meet and to share and to develop a common perspective.
For the civic group, the mission now is to ensure the crime summit is not a one-off, which means more private and public advocacy to ensure the partnership is sustained.
Make it known that it's not one or two voices, but a large range of persons and organizations who are willing and ready and able to combat the twin evil of corruption and its twin crime.
The church also has a part to play in this regard.
I would say every denomination should have an integrity committee, something somewhere where people can express their views, not only within the parish community, but also be encouraged to call the talk shows, to participate in current developments, to post on social media so that more voices can be heard and more channels available for those who wish to get involved.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.